Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how to join a squad in Modern Combat 5 Blackout. So in order to join a squad in Modern Combat 5, launch open your Modern Combat 5 application on your device first. Log in with your preferred account and then once you're on the main screen, go ahead and tap on the chat icon at the bottom left corner. This will then take you to this global message page. Tap on squad at the top and then tap on the squad button one more time. From this page, you can either create or join in with your friends in their squad. To join in an existing squad, tap on the join button. Now, you will see a list of squads you can join into. Tap on the tap to view details right next to the squad you'd like to join and click on the request to join button at the top right corner. You will then be able to send the join in request. If the squad is invite only, you'll need to send a request and wait for approval. If it is open, you will join instantly. After you are accepted, you'll receive a confirmation, and after it is done, you are then the squad's member. So that was how you can easily join into a squad in Modern Combat 5 Blackout. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.